topic for today is cleanliness, air, and its importance. First, we will discuss about cleanliness. To keep our body and surroundings free from germs, dirt, and insects is called cleanliness. We should keep ourselves clean. A clean body is fit and healthy body, while a dirty body carries dust and germs that can make us ill. Good and healthy habits keep us fit and healthy. Some good habits are brushing our teeth daily, taking a bath every day, washing and combing hair regularly, trimming nails regularly, cleaning our eyes, nose, ears, and face regularly, using a handkerchief while blowing nose, coughing, or sneezing. Going to bed early and rise early is also a very good habit. Wearing neat and tidy clothes. And some healthy habits are eating healthy food, drinking fresh water, breathing fresh air, not talking while eating is a very good habit. To play games, sports, and work out regularly. Do not waste our food or water. Here are some good values and behavior that we must follow. We should always greet and respect people around us. We should use polite words like please and thank you. We should be polite and gentle. We should be punctual and disciplined. We should not delay or make excuses. We should obey our elders and we should be kind to plants and animals. Now we will learn about air and its importance. Air is all around us. We cannot touch and see air, but we can feel it when it moves. All living things breathe air to live. We cannot live without air. Moving air is called wind, while breeze is a soft wind and a storm is a strong wind. Now, let us learn about what clean and dirty air is. Clean air keeps us healthy. We should breathe clean air. Smoke, dust, germs, etc. make air dirty. Dirty air makes us unhealthy. We should not breathe dirty air. Here are some uses of air. Flying an aeroplane in the sky, sailing boats and ships, flying kites, drying off wet clothes, flying off hot air balloons, flying off birds, insects and bees, filling air in tires, balls and balloons. So this was all about cleanliness, air and importance of air. Thank you.